how to change the touch and hold delay time duration in easy mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and then tap on display. Next, scroll down. In here, tap on easy mode. Then go down and tap on touch and hold delay. On this screen here, you can select very short, 0.3 seconds, short, medium, long, or custom. So here we're going to set it to very short and then tap on the back key. So that is the touch and hold delay. So by default it is set to 1.5 second long. So you can see I have to wait for 1.5 seconds for the screen to recognize my long press and hold. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.